ladies and gents, to another Cocktails Inspired by Movies video, Halloween edition. Today I'm making the Hocus Pocus Fizz. Now, based on preference, you can choose to make this alcoholic or non-alcoholic. This cocktail is inspired by Hocus Pocus, which is a 1993 American comedy horror fantasy Disney film directed by Kenny Ortega, with a screenplay by Neil Cuthbert and Mick Garris, and a story by Garris and David Kirshner. It follows the villainous trio of witches who are inadvertently resurrected by a teenage male virgin in Salem, Massachusetts. Hocus Pocus is one of my favorite movies and definitely something I watch every October, so I am excited to make this cocktail. For this cocktail, the ingredients you will need are pineapple juice, almond extract if you're doing non-alcoholic version. If you want alcoholic, then use rum, imitation coconut extract, red food coloring, yellow food coloring, sparkling white grape juice for non-alcoholic, and sparkling white wine for alcoholic. Cranberries are optional. I don't like cranberries, so I'm using candy raspberries instead. And lastly, you'll need sugar. First, in a small pitcher or large measuring cup, mix pineapple juice, rum, or almond extract depending on version, coconut extract, 3 drops of red food coloring, and 2 drops of yellow food coloring. Now we work on the rim for the glasses. Pour 2 tablespoons in a resealable plastic bag, and to the bag add 5 drops of red coloring and 5 drops of yellow coloring. Seal the bag and knead the sugar until the color evenly distributes. Pour sugar onto a plate. Take your glass and dip the rim in water. If you find this doesn't work, wet the rim with some of the cocktail mixture. Place the glass on the sugar mixture and coat the rim. To the glass, pour in 60 ml of the mixture and 120 ml of the sparkling white grape juice or sparkling white wine depending on your preference. Lastly, garnish with cranberries, or in my case, candy raspberries. And there you have it, a Hocus Pocus Fizz ready to enjoy. Thank you for joining me for another cocktail video. I think I'll definitely be indulging in this little beauty when it comes time to watch Hocus Pocus during my marathon. Be sure to comment down below with your thoughts, and until next time, bye.